Hala. Klase. Hello?
Yes.
Hello, good evening. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, good evening. How are you today?
Um, good.
Okay, so wait in a minute. I will open my cam. Okay, so I have to ask you something. Only Sunday you are available? Are you sure? How about other day?
Yes, only Sunday.
It is only on Sunday and then only 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, so I will say to you that if we only class for once in a week, and then sometimes we cannot have a class also in that week, maybe you forgot some lessons also. So what time you are available on the other day so that even if twice in a week only. Okay, I will ask you 2 days in a week so that you cannot forget the lesson. What free are you? What day you are free? I will adjust my schedule also. Only
I
Sunday?
s- yeah,
How about other day? You are loaded?
I started to participate in competition, so I don't.
So you don't have a time. Okay, because if we like this, in this lesson, what is that? You forgot some lesson also. Just like this. Okay, 1 month we don't have a class, right? Remember? Only almost 1 month we didn't have a class. So what should we do? So we forgot the lesson, right? So at this point, that is why I asked you what should we do? Because we already forgot the lesson, right? Because in a 1 month, no classes because that is only once a week, right? For example, today is Sunday and then we will not attend. Next, we will not attend. Next, we will not attend. So next, we will attend. So that's only one session only in a
Yes.
month. Hmm. I don't know what to do on this also. That is why I will ask also in the admin if what happened on this type of a class. Because for me, I am not prepared on this because my you or my student will not learn in this kind of class if that's only once in a week. And then that week also is not sure that we have that you can attend a class because you are always busy. So that is why I will ask two 2 days in a week so that if ever one day will not have a class, we will have another day, right? So that you can remember. But do not worry, I will ask also in your admin. I will ask in the admin or your parents maybe if what will be the schedule, okay? So that you will learn also. Because as this time or as of this time, I think you will not learn on this, right? Because you will forget those. So you're only available in the morning, right?
Morning? No.
Yes. You have a class, right?
Yes.
Yes. So that is why you are busy. How about Sunday morning also and then Sunday night? No? Okay, do not worry. I will ask also in the admin, okay? On what should we do on this class. Okay, do not worry on this. So this time, let's start with our lesson today. So last meeting for how many months? Okay, we discussed about our last lesson is all about vocabulary and skills, right? So I know
Yeah.
that you know already some vocabulary. Okay, I hope that you will study on that. Okay, so I will try to move on the grammar. Okay, so maybe we will not proceed to wait in a minute. I will check. We will not review. We will use for new lessons so that next time we can have, okay. Yes, so last meeting we discussed about Unit 4A and then food and then that's vocabulary and the word skills. And also last time I gave you a homework and then you never answer your homework, right? Right? You forget to make your homework, right? Mm-hmm. So let me check. September 1, no class. Okay. Still no class. Okay, so now let's move on with our grammar. So I hope that you will learn on this. And then I hope that you cannot forget after that we have to discuss this kind of lesson. Okay? Okay, you can tell me also if you are available on that day. You can chat me. You will say, teacher, I am available tonight. Can we have a class? You can say that to me, okay? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so please do not be shy to approach with me, okay? So I know that we only have Sunday, right? So if you are available on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, you can chat with me or you can message with me. You will say, teacher, are you available tonight? Can we have a class? You can say on that to me, okay?
Yeah.
Do not be shy. So that I can fix also my schedule if I am free for that time so that we can have to discuss your lesson also. Okay? So now let's start with your lesson. I hope that you can remember that. Okay, your lesson tonight will be the grammar. Okay, let's move on again. Food. Okay, just tell me if you cannot see my slide.
Yes, I can see.
Okay, very good. So let's start so that we can finish also. So this is it. Solutions Elementary. That's Unit 4 and food. That's a grammar. So please, you can write also or you can put a mark so that you can remember what kind of lesson that we discussed tonight. Okay, so that the next meeting you can answer also if I will ask a question. So here, so, task. Read the text and answer the two questions at the end. Again, the task one, this is a direction or that this is a kind of instructions, okay? Read the text and answer the two questions at the end. So just remember, we have two questions. So if you can answer the question, you will read the text and then familiarize, and then you will find the correct answer. Okay? Are you ready to read? Go!
Um, meditation is a student and learner is in this photo. You can see the food see by everywhere every way. She tried to choose healthy food. There's some meat and some fish. There are some vegetables too for snack. They are
Snacks. Again, snacks.
snack.
Okay, just continue.
They they are
They aren't.
uh, they are some crisps, but they aren't any. His juice are sweet, and this isn't any chocolate. There are any new because isn't a microwave. Oh, what is it?
Okay, again. But there aren't any biscuits or sweets, and there isn't any chocolate. There aren't any ready meals because there isn't a microwave in her flat.
Come.
Okay, just continue. Now compare.
Now compare this with the food you eat at home every week. It is a big difference. Are there anything your family and tradition brought by?
Okay, so now compare this with the food you eat at home every week. Is there a big difference? Okay, so this is a question. Is there a big difference? Okay, before that, listen carefully. I will explain this, okay? Madison is a student in London. In this photo, look at the photo. You can see the food she buys every week. So meaning, these are the foods that she always buy every week so that she can eat, right? Then she tries to choose healthy food. There's some meat and some fish. There are some vegetables too. For snacks, there are some crepes, but there aren't any biscuits or sweets, and there isn't any chocolate. There were There, and what is this? There aren't any ready meals because there isn't a microwave in her flat. Now compare this with the food you eat at home every day. So meaning, look at the foods of Madison and then compare that foods in your house. Is there a big difference? Again, is there any big difference in your house?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. Are there any things, okay, look, are there any things you, family, and Madison both buy? Is there out there? Are there any things your family and Madison both buy? Okay, for example, vegetables. Does your family buy a vegetables? Does your family buy a vegetables? Yes or no?
Basketball.
Okay. So yes. As okay, that is the things that the same. Okay, please, we will end first and then we will come back again. Okay?
Yes.